Hello guys, welcome to today's video. So we will be watching that how to fix Windows 10 clock if it's wrong. Okay, so we will go throughout one by one solution in this video for this problem. So first is scan your computer for malware. So what we can do is we can simply type here antivirus. You can see here antivirus and threat protection. If you have any other software that is apart from your Windows protection antivirus, then you can open and they also scan from that viruses. Okay, so I will open just simply virus and threat protection, and I will simply click on quick scan. So it will start scanning my computer, so it will find my malware little bit and it will solve my problem. That is okay, scan your computer for malware, that's the solution of that problem. So it will take a minute or it will take seconds to complete this current threads. Okay, so it will take a time because it's scanning multiple files at a time, that is 17,426. okay, so it will take a time. So this was our first solution, and second solution is check Windows time service settings. So we will see that solution also after that's completing. So it's completing my current threads, so it will show any problems in my PC if they are here. So we'll stop here. Okay, so it will take a time, but I will simply cancel here because I don't want to no current, it's showing here no current threads. Okay, if you have any threads in PC, you will find out that by doing this. Okay, so second solution is check Windows time service setting. So what we have to do is simply press one Windows plus S. Okay, after pressing Windows plus N, it will open this and we have to enter services, choose services from the menu. Okay, so what I will do is I will here type here services. Okay, I will open this services app. After once the services windows opens, locate Windows time service and double click on it. So what we have to open here is Windows time service. So you can open here the Windows time service from here, that is I can see Windows time service. Where is the Windows time service? Okay, so you can see here Windows time is showing here Windows time, and I will double click on this. It's showing like this, and after that what we have to do is check the startup type section and set it to automatic. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to set it automatic, and what I will do is click on apply. Okay, and I will click on OK. So it will solve your problem of Windows clock. Okay, so this was our second solution. So we will go throughout the third solution, that is change internet time server. So what for that what we have to do is just type here control panel and open control panel here by clicking on open. After that what we have to do is opening your date and time. Okay, so from that control panel navigate to clock and languages, clock, language and region section. So what we have to do is we have to find here the clock, language and region section. So what I will do is I will click on large icons, so it will show me some large icons and we can find here the clock, language and region section, that is we can find here the date and time. Okay, so I will find here date and time. Also you can see here date and time. Then what we have to do is navigate to internet time tab and click the change setting. So internet time, click on change setting. So what I have done here is from date and time I clicked on internet time, and what I will it's open is internet time settings. Okay, so what we have to do is in this server section time, select time NIST gov. Okay, so what I will open is here time NIST gov. Okay, and you have to click on update now here. here I have clicked here update now, and the clock was successfully synchronized with timesnist.gov. It's showing here. So we have to click on OK now, and it will solve your problem. Okay. So next solution is unregistered and registered Windows time service. So what we have to do is we have to open a command prompt for this. Okay. So I will open here the command prompt. I will simply here, and I will choose as an administrator. Okay, just don't open the command prompt like directly clicking on open. I will click on run as administrator. I will click on yes, and it will show like this window. Okay, after that what we have to do is I will put here some commands you have to type. Okay, w32tm / unregistered. So you have to press this command here and click on enter. Okay, it's showing that it's not valid. So what we have to do is, if it's not running here, then we have to open it in a boot mode, and you have to do that. But we will try again, that is w32tm / unregistered. Okay, UNREGISTER, unregistered. I will click on enter. So it can show a WTM not get an internal or external command. So you have to boot your PC for this, but we will not going to see this solution for now. Then again next solution is remove Adobe Reader. So for that, if you have any remove Adobe Reader in your PC, so that you have to remove that. Okay, after that check your computer battery. If you haven't checked it, you have to check your computer battery for that. And next is update your BIOS. This solution also we cannot discuss here. Then what we have to do is add real time universal dot in registry editor. So what we have to do is we have to open Windows R. So it will open our run dialog, that is registry editor. Then what we have to do is, we have to open here regedit. So I will press here regedit and click on OK and S. So you can see here regedit. Okay, so what we have to do is, from here we have to go to some location that I will show here to you. So for that I will open my first, that is Heki local machine. Okay, I have opened that machine. After that what we have to do is we have to go to in a system. After in a system, that locate to current control set. So you can see here the current control set. I will open and expand this. After that, open control time zone information. So you cannot see here the control time zone information, but in control you can see, I think here the control time zone information. Okay, if you haven't find here, then you can find in any PCs here, services. I think we don't have that file right now in this system. Okay, so I will simply close this. So next solution is update Windows 10. So this is a very simple solution, that we have to go into the setting. Okay, and then what we have to open is update and security, and you can see here the Windows update option. You are up to date. It's showing that we are up to date. Okay, so I will click on check for updates. So it will check by update, and you have to open update your PC as per the requirement it's showing. Okay, so we will go towards our next solution by not wasting time. So I will open, that is go to the start and open here time, type here time. So change time, the date and time. I will click on open. After that what we have to do is internet. Then what we have to do is click on here. Okay, then what we have to do is date and time, is we have to select the format. Okay, so it's not showing there because I have set time zone automatically and set time automatically. So just press on these two, then you will not see this problem, and once sync your clock once. Okay, so it will also solve your problems. So it will thank you for guys, thank you for this video. So we will meet again in the next video. Thank you.